I bought this 2013 Razor 800 LE in January and spent the winter stripping it down, refurbishing it, changing fluids, doing a bit of cosmetic work, making a set of rock sliders. Things got low mileage, been well taken care of, and just did some maintenance. One of the things I did was I went into this with open eyes, knowing that some of the 800s had a bit of trouble. So I watched a couple of videos, one by Big Jeep Man. He made his video with Les Hansen, mechanic extraordinaire, and they went step by step how to strip down the rear diff on one of these, because as some of you may or may not know, they come from the factory with the rear pinion nut supposed to be torqued to 250 pounds, and 8 out of every 10 leave the factory with about 25 pounds torque. So I plunged in and I made a set of tools that was on the Polaris, well, the razorforum.net, yeah, and step by step there by BugBoyOne. That was phenomenal. Made a set of wrenches and spent a whole pile of hours pulling them out of there. Picked the thing half apart, which was fine because it's really what I wanted to do anyway, just to get everything all straightened away. So I went ahead, took it out. Sure enough, mine had 25 foot-pounds of torque. It now has almost 300 with a whole lot of red Loctite. Anyway, really pleased. Doing a little bit of work here and there. One of the things I'm doing is putting on an auxiliary brake, because these things are prone to getting stuck in park. So anyway, I'll update that in a bit.